So I am gravely in danger of becoming a fucking torch review channel, and that's the funniest looking fucking Olight green dot I've ever seen in my life. So let's today have a look at the Warrior X Turbo kit. So what have we got here? It's apparently extreme distance tactical light. Emphasis on the extreme. So this is designed as an everyday carry light and also a firearm light. It's funny to me when people call things everyday carry because they acronym that as EDC, but I know that acronym as Eat a Dick Cunt, which is hilarious. So just looking at the specs on here, you can see that is 1100 lumens, 1,000 meters apparently. That seems pretty fucking good. It's waterproof down to 2 meters, so if you, I don't know, drive your buggy into a bloody creek, I guess you're still gonna have some fucking light, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. And let's open the box and have a look what it comes with. Alright, so in this nice velvet lined box, it comes with the standard green and red little cover things on there. We've got a fucking manual that no one cares about. We've got the torch, we've got the mount and all the other accessories. So let's have a wee gander at this. So let's look at the accessories first. So we've got the charging cable that's in there, pretty standard Olight charger. We've got, what the bloody hell is this? Some stickers. I suppose if I read the manual I'd find out what that was for. A lanyard so you can stick it around your wrist or something. That's cable management crap. You've got the push button bloody thing, a little bit different from the Olight one that we looked at the other week, but also provides the same sort of function. We have another clamp that's going to magnet that to you, and then we have the torch itself. This is in the EDC mode where you've got this little clip, you can stick it in your fucking pocket or something. I don't know how something that bloody big's going to go in your pocket, but you do you. But if you don't want to have that crap on there, you can supposedly bugger it all off. So let's have a go at that. So take this cap off. Oh yep, that fucking comes off, and then apparently fuck that battery off for a second. Oh yeah, pull that bloody thing off, and then we can stick that on there, and we can stick that battery back in, and we can stick this fucking thing on. And here we have something that resembles the coronal ridge. So one thing that I did find interesting with this is it does actually vibrate when it's on low battery, which is pretty interesting. So you got to turn it on, and through your thumb there, you can actually feel it vibrate, which tells me that it's below, I believe, 20%. Turn that off, and it doesn't vibrate on the off, but only when you turn it back on, it's going to vibrate at me. So I know that that battery is running low. Whack it on charge, change the battery out, whatever. The good thing about this particular torch is it does take those standalone batteries, so you can have a handful, 5, 6 of them charged up, whatever, and just change your batteries out, unlike the Olight series where the battery is kind of built into the handle of it, so you can't really change that out, you have to charge it. So that is the good thing about these. I've owned one of these before, not this particular one, not the the newer version, but many years ago I did own a version, and that's what I used to do, was change the batteries out all the time. You get a very similar throw to those Olight Pros. It's in a much, much smaller package. So just as a point of comparison, just to show you that mine is bigger than yours, that's the Olight Pro versus the Warrior X Turbo in size comparison. So as you can see, they're a fucking hell of a lot different. I can't even fit that in the screen. There we go. So hell of a lot different. A lot heavier, obviously, for this one, and a hell of a lot longer. So, sometimes length is going to get you there. Sometimes you just need, a little one that's going to do the job right. Yeah, so overall, look at that. You get similar things in the packages. You just got to pick what's going to suit you right. Now, on the time of release, being what bloody days are going to be, the 14th of July, the Warrior X Turbo is going on sale. There's going to be a link in the description box below. Now that is an affiliate link, which means that I do get a small commission off that, and that will help support the channel and help bring you more videos. Or you can just head across to the Olight website and buy it your bloody self. So yeah, if you're looking for a light that you can use as an everyday carry and or a firearms light for hunting at night time, look no further than Olight. Both of those options are pretty bloody good, so pick which one you want, whether you want the Olight 2 or you want the Warrior Turbo Pro X, whatever the fuck. They've got some weird names for their torches. Just call it something like the light torch Pro or something, fucking hell. And as I said in the last video, you know, Olight was going to send me a Olight green dot to have a gander at, and when it rocked up in the mail, this is the funniest looking fucking green dot sight I've ever seen in my life. So Olight, if you could, bring the people what they want, and what they want is for me to review the Olight. So bloody well send me one so I can put a fucking review out for it. Anyway, guys, I hope you got something out of that. I'll see you next video, and hooroo.